All I can say is that they're both ready to have another sibling. Kasi they're both affectionate, they're both caring and loving. So Kiel is prepared na to be a kuya. Tawag nga namin super kuya. So are you ready na to be a super kuya? Ready na siya. And si Andrea din, she knows naman that she's already an ate. A last beautiful smile. We decided na pasok na rin si Andrea sa school. So para at least makapag-adjust na siya at least before I give birth. Kasi medyo matagal mag-warm up si Andrea. Medyo nangingilala. Pero si Kiel kasi kaya na eh. So kahit sa mo ilagay, parang okay na siya. We don't want to, force them. But we want to encourage them to be good in school, ganyan. Pero yung to the point na ipupush na nila yung sarili nila, ayoko nang ganun. Kasi wala nang joy. They have to be happy kung saan sila, especially yung education, diba? Kasi tagal nun eh. Ilang years na lang gagawin yun and then you're not happy, diba? So they have to enjoy it. We want them to enjoy schooling.
Grabe, nakapangdikit naman tong mga to sa akin.
For me kasi, ang sweetest for me talaga, yung mga moments na hindi mo na-expect na sasabihin nila, but they do. They're just playing, tapos ang gulo-gulo nila, tapos biglang lalapit sa'yo, Mama, I love you. Yun yung mga moments na I cherish most. Hindi pa naman talaga sila maka-express pa completely, diba? Because they're too young pa. Pero yung mga little things na gano'n, yun nga, yung hindi mo na-expect. Yun yung mas natutuwa ako kasi parang, oh, I didn't buy you anything naman today, or I didn't give you anything, or pero sasabihin sa'yo, you're so beautiful, Mama, or you're the most beautiful girl in the world, gaganyan si Kiel. Si Andre na yung, I love you, Mama, tapos kikiss-kiss siyang gano'n. So, yun yung mga moments. Hi guys, please grab a copy of Smart Parenting September issue.